Hello again, and welcome to part 3, final part of parts of speech. So we left off with conjunctions, and I kind of did rip through those pretty quickly, but I did want to say that each one of these conjunctions do express a different kind of conjunction, a different kind of bringing together words and word groups. So, I mean, they express a different meaning. So we use but and yet when we want to express some sort of opposing or contrasting ideas. We use or when we want to show or ask about options. And is additional information. I could say I love to write, comma, and I love to read also. So I can join words, I can join clauses, I can join phrases like I want you to take out the trash, brush your teeth, and clean your room. The and joins those three verb phrases: brush your teeth, take out the trash, and clean your room. Or whole clauses. Independent clauses. All right, so that's conjunctions, and they're easy to remember with the acronym FANBOYS. And honestly, there's only one, oops, there we go, that just says what, that's just a key. Oops, forgot to highlight the yet there. All right, that's the key for what I just said. So the last and kind of the least, usually we say and not the least, but in this case, an interjection is kind of the least part of speech because it's a word that expresses emotion, but it doesn't have any grammatical relation to the rest of the sentence. Every other word does have relationship to other parts of the sentence. Right, but a verb expresses action of the subject, for example. And preposition shows a relationship to an object. So they all have relationship to other parts of the sentence. An interjection, if you got rid of it, it would not change the grammatical structure or leave a gap in the grammatical structure of a sentence. There are words like ah, aha, hey, oops, ouch, well, yes, no, yippee, wow, things like that, okay? So these are very easy to spot. They usually come at the beginning or end of a sentence. Sometimes I guess they could come in the middle. You could say something like, I know that you can sometimes have anger issues. Wow, but I didn't think it was that bad. Okay. Again, the wow, you could take it out, wouldn't mean much in terms of grammar. But okay, so let's look at a few. Hey, be careful of that wire. We know hey, of course, right? And in this case, we kind of punctuated it separately, so it shows that it's not even part of the sentence. There's a skunk somewhere. Ugh, right? Again, take it out. Wouldn't mean anything. Well, I guess that's that. And again, still has a subject verb and a complete thought, this sentence. You don't really need this grammatically. Our team won the playoffs. Yay. Yes, I would love some cream in my coffee. And again, if you took it out, it would not disrupt the grammatical structure of the sentence that's left. That's really it. And remember I said the only other, it's not really a part of speech, but an article is considered words like a, the, and an, like an apple, the page, a candle. Some grammarians consider that an adjective because it comes before a noun and it sort of indicates which one, the apple. So you can keep that tucked away in the back of your mind. To me, it's just I don't know. I mean, I guess it does, it can be considered an adjective, but I'd just like to put that on its own as an article. Okay, and so there they are. That concludes all three parts of part of speech. And as usual, if you have questions, please let me know. Over and out.